Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this delicious and energy boosting breakfast smoothie. You can equally use it as your dinner. And here are the ingredients we are using for this. 2 small green apples, lettuce, some moringa leaves, and a mint leaf. My mint leaf is dry but it's still very okay. I'll be adding 1 medium-sized overripe banana, 2 tablespoons of soya milk powder. I'll be using this as protein powder. I have a video of how I made this. Do check it out. The link will be below this video. I'll also be using honey as a sweetener. I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey here, but this is optional. It has banana. You may leave the sweetener. And then 1 cup of soya milk. I also have many videos of how to make soya milk in my channel, and I'll be using 2 cups of cold water. I will now go ahead and cut the apple and add it with all the other ingredients into the blender and blend until smooth. And here we have it. Our breakfast smoothie is ready. This is not only delicious, but will also keep you full and energetic for a longer period. I hope you enjoyed the video and you will give it a try. You will add it in your breakfast meals. And please don't forget to like the video, share to your friends and family, and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.